Hi, I'm Aherne, Australian Stay Strong team rider. This is my Stay Strong V5, starting with V5's latest frame, white and black colourway, running down to the bay ringer cranks with 49 sprocket from Renan, running through the chain, just KMC chain. Running to the back, we're running the Onyx hub, the Pro version, with the Stay Strong carbon rim. And then running up to the front, which is the Stay Strong 8 straight bars, with Stay Strong clip stem, avian carbon forks, running into this Onyx front hub with the Stay Strong carbon rim. And running the XDR brakes with the tangent lock-on grips. Then we're into Stay Strong seat clamp, seat post, 11 seat, and HT T2 SX pedals. And that's pretty much the rundown of the new Stay Strong V5. And thanks to all sponsors, Stay Strong Australia, ECI Imports, Carson's for the bell helmets, and Shimano, and all the other sponsors that we're running.